Hey again guys, it's me. I got my hair up for a second. This look I filmed in the previous video. It's just a everyday get ready with me kind of look. So if you haven't seen it yet, I'll link it down below and it's also going to play after this video. Basically, my hair straightener broke. Rest in peace, hair straightener. It was a GHD. Okay, I found it. So it was the, sorry it's really gross and dirty, but it was the GHD, I don't even remember what it was called. The Gemella Limited. It was limited because it was this beautiful sort of purple slash blue tinge. See how it's sort of purple and blue toned? I got this in 2014, I think for Christmas 2014. Basically it broke. So only one side plate works essentially. And the other one doesn't. So consequently, it's trash, can't use it, can't straighten it with one side. So I know since I bought it, I got it for Christmas in 2014. So I know since then the company got sold or something and the quality just like dropped dramatically. So I mean, it's lasted me a while. But it's just one of those things where it was like Christmas time and like, or just after Christmas and like, you know, something happened with my car and just all this money was like, you know, being withdrawn from my account. And all of a sudden my hair straightener broke. I was like, great, cool, needed that to happen right now. And I have like a cheap sort of Remington one which just doesn't do the trick and pulls my hair. It was a story. So anyway, I messaged one of my friends who's a hairdresser at the salon I go to, and she recommended the Evie hair straightener. Now I got this based on her recommendation. I have heard a few sort of, I was looking at a few straighteners and I was kind of like, oh, look, I don't want to spend this amount of money, not be able to get it back, and it turned out to be crap. I need something that's like the GHD but isn't, because it's obviously the quality is not there anymore. So I knew I had to spend, you know, $300 to roughly get a good hair straightener. So anyway, I messaged her and she recommended the Evie. She said we use those in the salon, which I know that they do. And I said, you know, I want something that's, she said, if you want something that's comparable quality what the GHD used to be, and yeah, you want something that doesn't really damage your hair as much as a hair straightener can, because I've got very, I'm obviously a brunette, I foil my hair blonde all the time, so my hair is not the healthiest. Yeah, so anyway, she recommended the Evie based on the fact that it's a really good hair straightener for your hair. It's the quality of what the GHD used to be, and they're just beautiful straighteners. So anyway, I got the Evie, so I think it's $300. This is the, so it's the Evie IQ OneGlide Styler 1.0 inch or 1 inch. They do have the exact same one in a 1.5 inch, which the barrel, I suppose, the clamp is a bit wider, where this is just a sleek styler where the clampy bit's a bit wider. I've got thick hair, but I feel like it would have just been a pain, so I just got the 1 inch. So this is the box that it came in. So I'll read what it says on the box. So new technology plates contain 24 karat gold for smoother glide. Unique 3 strips designed for even tension and faster results. New PTFE strips for longer heat and chemical resilience, which is really kind of good for me. I like this one. Mineral infused technology for inner hydration, ultimate shine. Digital temperature control from 130 to 210 degrees Celsius, 260 to 410 Fahrenheit. Fast MCH ceramic heater, available in both 1 inch and 1.5 inch plates. Free beater long professional cord, 2-year warranty, and suitable for professional and home use. So, and it did come with a bonus thermal bag. So yeah, so I've gotten it out of the box already. I actually can't get it back in the box, which is annoying because it's just one of those things where you know, you get it out of the box or bag and it never goes back in. So that's where it sort of, that's where it sort of was. This lifts up, and you got your warranty or user instruction manual inside, and that's it. So this is the beautiful bag it came in. It's this beautiful, it's a thermal heat bag, which is good for travel. See, a hair straightener doesn't burn things. It's Evie Professional on there. It feels like, it looks like a bit sparkly bag, and it is, but it's like a very soft texture. Like it's really, really soft. Like it's not like glittery, rough glitter at all. It's just like spongy and oh, it just feels really nice actually. So we undo it and it comes like that in the bag. And there it is. It's got the safety thing on the cord. Take that off. Yeah, and the cord's raveled up in a Velcro strip that's already on there, I guess. Undo the cord, slide it out of the bag, and there it is. And then it's got peel to remove before you do that. Oh, nice and shiny. Ooh. And it feels really nice. It's got another little plastic thing on there. I'll take that off too. Ah, satisfaction of peeling new plastic off. So there you go. It's annoying because it doesn't have a what do you call it? Clamp shut, which I suppose is pretty good actually because it doesn't so the plates touch together. So that's what it looks like. It feels really nice. I don't know if you've ever felt like the NARS packaging, that sort of soft rubber touch. That's exactly what it feels like. It feels very beautiful and sleek. So when it's going through your hair, it's just going to sort of glide really nicely. As you can see, the plates on the inside, it's got what it was talking about. What is on the box again? So new PTFE strips, which I'm not sure what that means, but on the inside of, so we got this clamp here. It's got the two, and then it's got a line in the middle. And then on this one, it's got the clamp, and then it's got the two lines on the side. So when you do that, the radiants of each go together, I suppose. I'm not sure. I don't know the specifics. I just wish that it came in colours. That was the only annoying thing. That's why I really like my GHD, because it was like a colour. I really wanted a nice hot pink straightener, or, you know, something like that. So it kind of sucks that it's just black. Like, I get it for professional use, but I'm quirky. I love pink. Like, I need pink in my life. So it would have been nice to have a pink hair straightener, but we'll go with the black one. Let's plug it in and give it a go on my hair. Yeah, see what we're dealing with right now. So I just showered, washed my hair this morning. I feel like, oh my god. Oh, my hair feels like super soft though because I used a hair mask. Oh, it's so soft. So it can go up to 210 degrees, I think. Now this is going to be different. I'm trying to use like my iPad as a mirror because I've got my backdrop obviously, but I need to be able to see you guys. You need to be able to see me, and I need to be able to like straighten my hair. So hopefully I can make this work. Now I'm just going to separate my hair into sections real quick. I usually only do two sections, the underlayer and the top layer. So I just sort of separate my hair like so. Get the bits down, get the top bit. I just sort of tie it with a rubber band. And for thermal protection spray, I use the De Lorenzo Defense Extinguish thermal spray with argan oil, which just makes my hair really soft with the argan oil. So what I'll do, I'll get my comb, wherever that buggered off to. Found it. So I'll get my hair down a bit more because I've got these little tiny bits of fringe. Get the back bit. This is interesting. I've never done a hair thing on here except for that one makeup look I did. But so we'll get the spray and I'll just do 2 spritz each side, 2 on the back as well. Recomb that through. Now mostly I'm looking for smoothness, like to make my hair like nice and smooth. It glides through my hair really nice, doesn't get caught kind of thing. And yeah, just to make my hair nice and straight. So we'll turn it on. So there's the little on button in there. There's a plus and a minus at the temperature. So we'll turn it on. So it's 180 already. Oh shit, can you see how far this is going up? I might set it to 210. So it's 210. I'll turn that live for a sec so you can actually see. See how fast it's going up in temperature? Has no sound though, but that's okay. That is going up extremely fast. damn, people were saying like, I was impressed with how fast this was heating up and wasn't expecting it to heat up that fast. Geez. 210 degrees. She hot. It's actually good though, because up here isn't hot. That's actually really good, because my other, not the the GHD one did it, but the cheap Remington one burnt my hands as soon as I touched this, which like wasn't good, because sometimes I like to hold it up here as opposed to here. I feel like I got more control. So that's really good that that did that. Okay, so we're gonna do the right side of my hair first. I might need to stand up. Get technical, guys, get technical. I'm gonna take a bit of hair. I'm gonna go from the outside, sorry, the inside to the outside and see how we go. Okay. Oh wow. That's really smooth, guys. I don't know if you can, I'll get a little bit and straighten. I'll get this bit and straighten it. Wow. This one's a bit thicker. Love it! It feels really smooth, like gliding through my hair. It doesn't feel like it's pulling at all. Usually, like the GHD one didn't do it at all, which is good because that's what I wanted. I wanted a straightener that obviously didn't pull my hair. So to have something that's not pulling my hair, that's awesome. So that was just straightening my under bits. Now I'm just going to straighten my over bits. It's really good. You can get nice and close to your skin without it hurting you, burning you. It feels really smooth. I love it so far. That is incredibly smooth. I actually cannot get over how smooth that is. And I feel like it's easy, like it's not hurting my hand. I don't have to clamp like really hard to be able to get there. And I can get like super close to my skin, or like, sorry, super close to my scalp without burning myself, or like fear of burning myself. Like, look how smooth it just glides. And like, yeah, you might have to go over it a couple of times, like your hair's not, especially with how wavy mine is. Like if you had naturally straight hair or semi-straight hair, you wouldn't have to go over it a couple of times, unlike me. Even though I've got it on the hottest setting, my hair is a little bit crazy, especially because of how dry it is at the ends. The ends always tend to flick out. Okay. These little funny bits you get at the ears, look, I can get nice and close, not burn myself. And look at that. That's insane. It does steam a bit. Not an incredible amount, but again, that's probably just the moisture that's still in my hair. And look how shiny it's making my hair. That's insane. Oh my god. Zoe, thank you for recommending the straightener, because I'm in love. So that's literally done. That's literally the underside of my head done. I wasn't even timing. I think that was like, what, 3 minutes? But that is not usually that quick for me. So I just take a bit, like a comb is my favorite thing, because it just helps my process so much. Oh my god, this straightener. I can't. This straightener is just amazing. So with the under, like the top side of my hair, I've obviously still got a bit under bit. So I'll just go like lift up this layer again, or like another inch of the layer, drop some down, go in my straightener, pick up another layer. This straightener is just, I can't get over it, guys. Well, I'm so bloody happy because I spent 300 bucks on this bad boy. So if it didn't work, this would have been a first impressions fail. Glad it's not a fail. And then to turn it off, you just press the power button again and it's off, and it's obviously still hot. I wonder how long the cool down time is. That'd be interesting. I'm just going to place that in the thermal bag for now, and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, guys, my hair, it's nice and beautiful and shiny, which the review said that made their hair feel nice, look nice and shiny. It feels so soft. Like, yeah, I used a hair mask in the shower this morning, but my hair, even when I used a hair mask, if I use that Remington, like the GHD, what I'm saying is it's a comparison to what the GHD used to be. My hair just feels amazing. Like, yeah, with the Remington, it would pull up my hair. You know how like when you took the clamp off a straightener, like when you straighten your hair, you took the clamp off, like some of your hair would get caught in it? No, that can't happen. And it didn't happen at all on that. Like, it was just so smooth throughout the whole thing. My hair just feels so soft. It straightened it so quickly. I feel like I don't need to go back in with it. Like, if I use my other one, I would need to go back with it a couple of times, but this just feels amazing. Final opinions, yes, definitely worth, well, $300 is a lot to part with for a straightener, but it's honestly definitely worth every penny. Guys, what do you think? I'm extremely impressed with it. My hair feels so soft. It's incredibly straight. I didn't have to go over it 3 times like I usually do. It didn't even take me that long to straighten it, which usually like takes me ages to straighten my hair because it's so thick. You wouldn't think it's thick, but when it was unstraightened, you could see how thick it was. I'm just so impressed with it. I love it so much. Thank you for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below, all that stuff. Yeah, and let me know what you think, what you thought of my how my hair turned out. Hopefully you learnt a little bit about this product, and if you were, you know, wanting to pick it up, you weren't sure, wanted to watch a video, then I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learnt something. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!